I lift my voice into the sky, hoping hearts will unify. Across the mountains, seas and lands, I reach for you with open hands. Every soul deserves to see a world united, living free. I still believe in shining light, even when the night holds tight. Let every heart hear the call. Peace can rise and conquer all. We are the voices of one world, different paths but flags unfurled. One hope, one heart, together we stand, reaching out with open hands. Let the song of peace be heard in every city, every word. One world, one dream, one melody. We rise in love and harmony. I've seen the pain, I felt the fight, but love can turn the dark to light. Hand in hand across the seas, together strong we find our peace. Hear the whispers, hear the cries. Every tear can reach the skies. Bound by hope, by love, by song, a world at peace.